welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create product demo videos with Synthesia and present your product's features and benefits in a clear and professional way. First, open Synthesia and create a new video project. Before you start, prepare your product information and decide which features you want to demonstrate. Begin with a short introduction. Tell viewers what the product is and what they will learn from the demonstration. Next, choose an AI avatar that matches your brand and target audience. A professional and approachable presenter can make your product demo feel more engaging. After selecting the avatar, choose an AI voice that is clear, natural, and confident. Make sure the voice matches the tone of your product and presentation. Now, add your script and divide it into separate scenes. Start with the basic introduction, then explain the main features one by one. You can add product images, screenshots, videos, text, shapes, and other visual elements to support your explanation. Show the product whenever you're talking about a specific feature. For software products, screenshots or screen recordings can help viewers understand how the product works. For physical products, use clear images or video clips that show the product from useful angles. Next, highlight the most important benefits instead of listing every feature. Explain how each feature can solve a problem or make something easier for the customer. You can also use text overlays to display important specifications, benefits, or key points while the avatar explains them. Make sure your scenes are organized in a logical order. Avoid jumping between unrelated features because this can make the demonstration difficult to follow. Once your product demo is complete, preview the entire video. Check the avatar, voice,
Hello.
pronunciation, timing, visuals, product information, and transitions. Make sure all product details are accurate, including names, features, prices, specifications, and other important information. If a scene feels too long, simplify the explanation or divide it into smaller sections. Finally, generate the completed product demo and export or share it with your audience.